Hello again. This is Stockton going for a ride in the 300. Forgot to mention, power windows if you saw the last video, but let's go for a ride just real quick. Pull out of the DMV super slowly. Try not to attract attention. Now the exhaust on this, I was going for not annoying and not super quiet. It's like a really low, smooth sounding exhaust. I think it's really good. Not like a fart can type. I'm over that. Super smooth. You can hear the little tiny turbos spooling up. Cruising on the freeway is effortless. Fifth gear, I mean, it's hard not to do 80 plus, and 3,000 RPMs is 80 miles an hour, and it's just beautiful. It's a good thing I'm in California. Lots of people don't really obey the traffic or the speed limit signs. Anyway, there's that. Here's obviously oil pressure. Boost. Going to a stoplight, we'll just show you the boost gauge and oil. Still not all the way. I mean, it's pretty much almost warmed up. Maybe a millimeter more. But yeah, once it's all the way perfect, it'll go down to 20. Just looking around. Just gonna pause it. That's it. Hopefully you enjoyed. I'm sure I left out quite a few things, so make sure to ask questions if you have any. Thanks.